Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to unpack something very important in the world of IT service management, the ITIL process. Whether you're an IT professional or just curious about how IT services are managed and delivered, understanding the ITIL process is key. So let's get straight into it and demystify this crucial topic. What is ITIL process? First off, what do we mean by the ITIL process? ITIL, or Information Technology Infrastructure Library, consists of a series of processes, each designed to ensure IT services are aligned with the needs of a business. These processes are part of a larger framework aimed at enhancing overall business efficiency and effectiveness. ITIL Process Overview. ITIL organizes IT service management into 5 core stages, each comprising several processes. These stages are: Service strategy, where your IT processes aligns with business objectives. Service design, tailoring IT services to meet business needs. Service transition, implementing services in a controlled and effective manner. Service operation, ensuring IT services are delivered and maintained daily. Continual service improvement, ongoing improvements to services and processes. Detailed look at ITIL processes. Let's break down the ITIL processes into more digestible parts, exploring how each stage supports the smooth operation and continuous improvement of IT services. Service strategy. The foundation of ITIL, service strategy, involves understanding and aligning IT services with the organization's strategic objectives. Here, service portfolio management keeps track of all services offered, ensuring they align with business goals. Financial management oversees budgeting and ensures cost-effective service delivery. Demand management looks ahead to anticipate and influence the needs of customers, making sure the organization is always prepared. Service design. This stage is where plans are shaped into actionable designs. Service-level management ensures that services meet specific operational standards, crucial for maintaining quality and customer satisfaction. Capacity management assesses infrastructure needs to handle demands efficiently, while availability management focuses on optimizing systems to ensure they are reliable and always available. Service transition. Service transition turns designs into live services. Change management controls modifications to reduce disruption, while release and deployment management introduces new services smoothly into the environment. Knowledge management keeps vital information flowing, aiding decision-making and supporting service stability. Service operation. During service operation, IT services are in full swing. Incident management deals with restoring service after disruptions. Event management monitors operations to catch and address events before they escalate. Problem management looks to remove recurring issues by addressing the root causes. Continual service improvement. Lastly, continual service improvement keeps the cycle of enhancement rolling. The 7-step improvement process focuses on making ongoing adjustments and upgrades to services, ensuring they continually evolve to meet business needs and enhance customer satisfaction. Each stage of the ITIL process plays a vital role in ensuring that IT services are effective and efficient and tightly aligned with the business strategic needs. By understanding and implementing these processes, organizations can ensure better service delivery and more robust IT support overall. ITIL Process Explained. Each ITIL process works together to support the life cycle of IT services, from inception through delivery to ongoing improvement. They're designed not just for IT staff, but for anyone involved in the design, delivery, or support of IT services. These processes help organizations manage risks, strengthen customer relations, establish cost-effective practices, and build a stable IT environment that allows for growth, scale, and change. Why ITIL processes matter. Understanding and implementing the ITIL processes can transform how your organization manages IT, aligning services much more closely with the underlying business needs. It's about delivering more than just IT, it's about delivering business success. Thanks for joining me today to explore the ITIL processes. If you have any questions or want to share how ITIL has impacted your business, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Until next time, keep optimizing and improving with ITIL. Master the ITIL processes, enhance your IT services, and drive business success. Explore ITIL with us and start improving today.